Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2009 GH Mazda 6 diesel wagon, stock reference number 3410. This shape runs from the first month 2008 through to the 11th month 2012. There's an R2 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed manual front-wheel drive transmission. R2 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the front end. We have the left-hand fog light. Left guard appears to have no damage. This vehicle is fitted with factory 17-inch alloy mags. The left front has a good tyre. We have the left power door mirror. Both left-hand doors appear to have no damage. Left-hand sill skirt. Left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left tail light. Left tailgate garnish. It's got a tidy rear bumper cover, park sensor type with a tow bar cutout. It's got a factory fitted tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets, loom and module. With neck. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Right hand tailgate garnish. Right hand tail light. Right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Both right hand doors appear to have no damage. Right hand sill skirt. Right power door mirror. And a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim. Power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. It's got a black leather center console lid. Manual type console. 6-speed manual gear shifter, climate control, dual zone heater controls, factory 6-stack CD player, display cluster, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster and a tidy leather 3-spoke steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.